This will be a short 30-second view. The battery's running low. It might even not be shorter. I framed Sightseeing Dignity Human Rights Art Series drawing 44 in this frame, which I got at a Goodwill store. It fit perfectly in the mat. I was delighted to find it. So the Dictator's sea monster, the small devilfish, and memorial portrait of Czech historian, theater critic, literature critic Zavis Kalandra, born 1902, survived about 6 years in Nazi concentration death camps in Germany during World War II, and was convicted of treason and executed by the Czech communist government in late June 1950. All right, there you have it. 1 minute, 1 second. Thanks for watching.